One of the ways that Student Hub Live supports you in your studies is through hour-long workshops, where we focus on specific skills for all students at any level. But Module Start is a very special time. So on the 30th of January, we have 2 workshops that are aimed at new students. The first one runs you through all of the key systems and support networks, and you'll have a chance to ask all the questions that you have. Then we are rerunning our popular time management workshop, which offers helpful ideas about how to include your study into what may already be a very busy life.
The main reason for coming along today, let's have a look. So getting tips.
Not only do these workshops offer bite-sized chunks of information and offer you the opportunity to ask questions, but you can also meet other students and experience the OU's tutorial platform, perhaps even before your first tutorial is scheduled. Spaces are limited, so please get your free ticket to secure your space. There's nothing to prepare and there's no need to tidy up your space, because while you can see and hear the presenters and the slides, we won't see what's happening at your end. So please come along, even if you have little hands and little paws or claws along with you. I hope to see you there.